Hi, my name is Anthony Ward. I work with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, and I'm a plumbing install. When I got into plumbing, really enjoyed it. Worked around Knoxville areas for a little bit and realized that Pipe Wrench was one of the best places to work. After working here, I realized that's true. I've worked doing siding before, vinyl siding, hardie siding. I did remodeling for a few years and did a little bit of plumbing when I did that, and realized I just wanted to keep it basic and simple it down and just do plumbing. I really like just running water lines and doing some drains. And I like at the end of the job when it looks real nice and neat, and that's what we do here. I stay pretty busy chasing my kid around from ball fields to basketball courts. A lot of that. I used to coach his teams when he was littler, so now I just enjoy just watching on my off days.